Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. We did it. Halfway through the weekend, Saturday is over. Still got Sunday, so let us see what we get. Oop, okay. Still good. Here we are. Looking for a rare still. Rare and a double rare. We start off with the Honedge. Very nice. For a second I thought there was a Pokemon over there in the background, but I think that's just the foliage, so beautiful. And then we got a Fearow. Kind of plain, but yeah, it's still cool. It's alright. And got our Tepig with the cool Pignite in the back. Alright, and our uncommon of the pack is the Drampa. The weird normal dragon. Very unique design. Alright, let's see if we got something cool today. Oh, looks like we do. Got a rare. Got a rare. And it's Psychic. What's a Psychic rare we're missing? Hmm. Oh, we're missing the Meowstic. Nya o Nikusu. Nikusu. Yay! The Meowstic. For those of you who've actually watched my Pokemon VGC battles, Meowstic was my partner for the Poltegeist, and would run be a support Meowstic with Sucker Punch, and it would go first. And yeah, if you know, you know. I don't think there's anything new out of this one, right? Because the only uncommon we're missing is the escape rope, I think. But we'll check. Let's run through it. Got the Tepig, of course. Our Meowstic's gonna go right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Nothing over here. Got the Drampa right there. Yep. Stoutland V is gonna be over there. And of course we got the Honedge. And the Fearow. And that's all four. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. See you back here tomorrow for another daily Japanese booster pack opening. And yeah, enjoy your Sunday. Glad we got the Meowstic. I'll see you guys tomorrow.